Hello guys, I would like to start with introducing you with all the ingredients I'll be using today. I have a whole chicken, 1 onion, ginger, 5 cloves of garlic, lemongrass, oyster sauce, soy sauce, 4 seasoned peppers, salt, scotch bonnet pepper, bay leaves, one seasoning cube, and rosemary. The 4 seasoning peppers I will split into 2, and then I'm going to rub the other half all over the chicken. Dressing my chicken, I'm going to start with rubbing salt all over the chicken and black pepper, the 4 seasoning black peppers. I'm also going to rub it all over the chicken. I'm going to stock in the lemongrass, the diced onion, and some of the garlic cubes. Remember, you can always adjust the seasoning to your own taste. I have some garlic cloves chopped, and I'm also going to put the bay leaves, rosemary, and the scotch bonnet pepper, half of the scotch bonnet pepper. The pounded ingredients I'm going to rub all over the chicken. I'm going to give it a final dressing and then put it for 2 hours in the fridge. In the pan, I have half of lemongrass. I also have bay leaves, rosemary, and a bit of onion. I have 1 liter Coca Cola, which I'm going to pour in the chicken and let it boil. I'm also going to add in the oyster sauce and then the soy sauce. Look at this. It's still boiling. And the aroma is so good. Allow it to boil till the sauce is thickened. I'm going to flip it up after boiling for a while, and then allow it to thicken. It's done. The chicken is ready. Look at the golden color of this chicken. Looking so yummy. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like my videos, can you please subscribe, like, and hit